Hi everybody, welcome to lesson 5. Today we're going to look at double stroke rolls. Hi everybody, welcome to the Rudiment Series with Istanbul Mehmet Cymbals. My name is Graeme Hare. Today, as I've said, we're looking at double stroke rolls. And if you've been following my videos, you may have noticed I've done a little bit of a cymbal change today. In past videos, I used a mixture of nostalgia cymbals and session. I had 14-inch, 16-inch and 18-inch nostalgia cymbals and a 21-inch session ride. I've now got a full set of the Rudiment Series cymbals, and these are absolutely gorgeous. I've got a separate camera here. I just thought I'd give you a look at the finish on these cymbals. They are absolutely stunning. I've got a 20-inch ride, 18-inch crash, 14-inch hi-hats and another 16-inch crash there. So that's what we're going to be working on today. Back to today's lesson. We are going to look at double stroke rolls, and I've selected 3 double stroke roll combinations today. We're going to look at a 5-stroke roll, a 6-stroke roll and a 9-stroke roll. So first of all, we need to have a look at the basic technique of a double stroke roll. As the name suggests, you're playing 2 notes on each hand. We have a controlled stroke first, which means I'm physically hitting the notes twice. So I'm moving my hand and my arm twice to facilitate each note. When you get past that onto a rebound stroke, your hand will move once, but just like a ball bouncing on the floor, your stick will bounce for a second time. So please hold the stick correctly between the fulcrum grip. If you hold the stick like that, which I see a lot of in my lessons, you are stopping the stick bouncing. Hold it correctly and the stick will bounce, and it just kind of floats in that grip. That's a double stroke roll. So as I said, I'm going to take little snippets of a double stroke roll and show you how to play it around the kit. Today I'm going to really focus on these beautiful cymbals and show you how to incorporate those rolls and use the cymbals. So a 5-stroke roll first. As the name suggests, it's got 5 notes in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, right, left, left, right. Or left, left, right, right, left. So slowly. Sounds like that. Got a very military sound. Now, to incorporate the cymbals, I thought I'd show you this one. So we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4 on the snare, and number 5 will be the crash. Now, if I put that into some sort of groove and use the 5-stroke roll as a fill, it's going to sound like this. I'll do it slowly first. A little faster. Fast. Okay, another one of my favourite double stroke combinations is a 6-stroke roll. I'm going to play 2 different types today. The first one starts with 2 doubles and then finishes with 2 singles. So it sounds like this. You can hear the amount of notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I flip that round, I start with the 2 singles, then the 2 doubles. It sounds like this. There are other ways you can play a 6-stroke roll. I could start with a single. So there are other combinations. I'm going to focus on the 2 that I've mentioned today. And I'm going to use the ride and the hi-hat to play them quite effectively, I think. So here's the first one. So it was... I'll play that on the ride and snare. And then incorporate it into a semi-quaver or a 16th note groove, something like this. So the first part of the groove, I'm just playing straight ahead 16th notes. Then the second part of the groove, I pop in the 6-stroke roll. So that version was using the 6-stroke roll starting with the double. This time I'm going to start with the singles. Sounds like this. So I'm now going to mix those 2 combinations up. I'll start with double, double, single, single, and then I'll go single, single, double, double. And you'll hear how it sounds. I'm now going to play ad-lib. I'm just going to mix the variations up so you can hear what it sounds like, and I'll play it a little bit faster. The final roll combination I want to look at today is a 9-stroke roll. As the name suggests, it's got 9 beats in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm going to incorporate the 9-stroke roll onto the hi-hats. I'm going to do a similar 16th note feel. That was the first measure. The second measure, I'm going to use a 9-stroke roll in place of those 16th notes. So it's going to sound like this. A little bit faster. Fast. So finally today I'm going to mix up all of the little combinations we've had a look at. I'm going to play some hi-hat rhythms. I'm going to play between the ride and the hi-hat. I might put in a little military snare type solo as well. But I'm only going to use 5-stroke rolls, 6-stroke rolls, both types, and a 9-stroke roll. Here we go. Okay everybody, that's the end of today's lesson. On next time, in lesson number 6, I'm going to be taking a look at single stroke rolls. See you next time.